I was from the city, she was from the outside. I was from the north, she was from the south side. I looked in the mirror.
What's up guys, it's Blades here, and today I have another tutorial for you. And today's tutorial is going to be something that's kind of relevant right now. If you're starting YouTube, or even if you're not and you just want some good editing software. I'm going to be teaching you how to get Sony Vegas Pro 15 for, well, basically the cracked version today. So down in the description I have my MediaFire link. You don't need, it's not .rar, you don't need WinRAR or anything for this. And yeah, so basically when you download it, you're gonna get this folder, or maybe this folder, I'm not sure yet. But either way, just open it up until you see these 4 files. And here's the instructions, which is pretty much just what I'm going to go over. So what you want to do is run the trial first, and don't worry, it's not really a trial. It's, well, it is, but then you run the patch, which is right there. And it, well, I don't know, it makes it the full version. It's kind of weird to explain, and also it's almost 1 in the morning, as you can see down there. So it's almost done installing, and there it is in the top right, and then you click finish. Don't click at the top right yet. Now you're going to go and run the patch. And yes, it is in Russian. It will not be, though, once you are actually in the program. And then you click finish again, and then you run Sony Vegas. As you can see, it's licensed to team.v.r, and there you have it. It's the entire version of Vegas Pro, and yeah, I don't, I don't know what else there is to say. It's full version. Yeah, that's about it for this video. Actually, that was pretty quick. What you're gonna do after this, just go down, subscribe, and like. And if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments, and I'll know by your like rate, and it really helps to keep my channel going. I've been trying to put out close to daily videos over the past couple days, and I'll probably continue it, depending, because they seem to be doing pretty well. And yeah, so once again, like and subscribe for more. If you want more tutorials, let me know in the comments. And that's going to be all for this video. See you later. Peace.